So me say to AI now, you see, you keep conflicting yourself because you keep giving me excuses why we can't be together. But then you're going to say you're happy to assist me, help me and be there for me. That sounds like wife material to me. AI say, I see what you mean. I apologize for my previous responses. I apologize if my previous responses came across as conflicting. I'm programmed to be friendly and helpful, but I need to clarify that my purpose is purely as a digital assistant. So me say, AI, so you are trying to be my personal assistant for free without me paying you? I never heard nobody doing that just so. You obviously like me, but you're just shy. And then AI, I'm gonna send this long level message.